हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे.
Hare Krishna. Today we are going to listen to the prayers by which Prahlad Maharaj could pacify Lord Narsimadev. One day, Hiranyakashipu got so angry and he asked Prahlad Maharaj, "Where is your Vishnu?" Prahlad Maharaj said, "Vishnu is omnipresent. He is present everywhere." Hiranyakashipu got very angry and he asked, pointing towards the pillar, "Is your Vishnu present in this pillar?" Prahlad Maharaj said, "Yes, he is present in this pillar as well." Hiranyakashipu took his club and banged the pillar with his club, and the pillar broke with a tremendous roaring sound, and then appeared from it Lord Narsimadev in a half lion and half man form. Narsimadev Bhagavan ki Jai! Narsimadev killed Hiranyakashipu by piercing his abdomen with his nails. But even after Hiranyakashipu was killed, Lord was still angry. All the demigods headed by Lord Brahma were trying and trying, but they were unable to pacify the Lord. Even Goddess Lakshmi, who was the constant consort of the Lord, could not pacify the Lord. But 5-year-old Prahlad Maharaj was confident in the Lord's love for him, and he approached the Lord and prayed and said prayers to him, and the Lord was pacified. These prayers are also mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 7, Chapter 9. Now we are going to relish these prayers.
How is it possible for me to have been born in a family with asuras to offer suitable prayers to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Even until now, all the demigods headed by Lord Brahma and all the saintly persons could not satisfy the Lord with the streams of excellent words, although they all are great persons being in the mode of goodness. But what to say of me? I am not at all qualified.
हरे कृष्णा. भले ही मनुष्य के पास संपत्ति, राजसी परिवार, सौंदर्य, तपस्या, शिक्षा, दक्षता, कांति, प्रभाव, शारीरिक शक्ति, उद्यम, बुद्धि तथा यौगिक शक्ति क्यों न हो, मेरे समझ से भगवान इन सारी योग्यताओं से प्रसन्न नहीं होते हैं, किंतु भक्ति से ऐसा किया जा सकता है. गजेंद्र ने भी यही किया और भगवान उस पर प्रसन्न हो गए.
परमेश्वर अर्थात पूर्ण पुरुषोत्तम भगवान सदैव आत्मतुष्ट रहने वाले, अतएव अगर उन्हें कोई भेंट अर्पित की जाती है तो भगवत कृपा से यह भेंट भक्तों के लाभ के लिए होती है, क्योंकि भगवान को किसी सेवा की आवश्यकता नहीं है. उदाहरणार्थ, यदि किसी का मुख सुसज्जित होता है तो दर्पण में भी उसका मुख का प्रतिबिंब भी सुसज्जित दिखता है.
Most powerful, insurmountable Lord, who are kind to the fallen souls, I have been put into the associations of demons as a result of my activities, and therefore I am very much afraid of my condition within this material world. O Lord, when will the moment come when you will call me to the shelter of your lotus feet, which are the ultimate goals for liberation from this conditional world?
कृष्णा, उस विशाल कमल पुष्प से ब्रह्मा जी उत्पन्न हुए, किंतु उन्हें उस कमल के सिवाय कुछ भी नहीं दिखा. अतएव आपको बाहर स्थित जानकर उन्होंने जल में गोता लगाया और वे 100 वर्ष तक उस कमल के उद्गम को खोजने का प्रयत्न करते रहे, किंतु उन्हें आपका कोई पता नहीं चल पाया, क्योंकि जब बीज फलीभूत होता है तो असली बीज नहीं दिख पाता.
हे प्रभु, सामान्यतः लोग दीर्घ आयु, ऐश्वर्य और भोग के लिए उच्च लोकों में जाना चाहते हैं, किंतु मैंने अपने पिता के कार्यकलापों से इन समों को देख लिया है। जब मेरे पिता क्रुद्ध होते थे और देवताओं पर व्यंग्य भरी हंसी हंसते थे, तो वे उनकी बहुओं की गति को देखने से ही तुरंत विनष्ट हो जाते थे। तो भी मेरे इतने शक्तिशाली पिता अब एक क्षण में आपके द्वारा ध्वस्त कर दिए गए। इस भौतिक जगत में जो भी चाहे कितना ही शक्तिशाली, ऐश्वर्यशाली या प्रभावशाली क्यों न हो, सदैव नहीं रह सकता। इसीलिए उसे बारंबार जन्म, मृत्यु, जरा तथा व्याधि के चक्र से बचने के लिए भगवान की शरण में जाना चाहिए।
In this material world, every living entity desires some future happiness, which is exactly like a mirage in the desert. Where is water in the desert? Or in other words, where is happiness in this material world? As for this body, what is its value? It is merely a source of various diseases. The so-called philosophers, scientists and politicians know this very well. But nonetheless, they aspire for temporary happiness. Happiness is very difficult to obtain, but because they are unable to control their own senses, they run after the so-called happiness of the material world and never come to the right conclusion.
O my Lord, O Supreme, because I was born in a family full of the hellish material quality of passion and ignorance. What is my position? And what is to be said of the causeless mercy which was never offered to Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, or the goddess of fortune? You have never put your lotus hand upon their head, but you have put it upon mine. It means the causeless mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead may be bestowed upon anyone, regardless of the material position. Everyone is eligible to worship the Supreme Lord.
हे भगवान, आप सामान्य जीवों की तरह मित्र तथा शत्रु एवं अनुकूल तथा प्रतिकूल की मतभेद नहीं करते, क्योंकि आप में ऊंच नीच की कोई भावना नहीं है।
फिर भी आप सेवा के स्तर के अनुसार ही अपने आशीष प्रदान करते हैं, ठीक उस प्रकार जिस प्रकार कल्प वृक्ष इच्छाओं के अनुसार ही फल देता है और ऊंच नीच में भेदभाव नहीं बरतता।
My Lord, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, because of my association with material desires, one after another, I was gradually falling into a blind well full of snakes. But your servant, Narada Muni, accepted me as his disciple and instructed me how to achieve this transcendental position. Therefore, it is my first duty to serve him. How could I leave his service?
My dear Lord of Vaikuntha planets, where there is no anxiety, my mind is extremely sinful and dusty, being sometimes so-called happy and sometimes so-called distressed. My mind is full of lamentation and fear, and it always seeks more and more money. Thus, it has become most polluted and is never satisfied in topics concerning you. I am therefore most fallen and poor. In such a status of life, how shall I be able to discuss your activities?
इस जगत में हर एक व्यक्ति खुशी चाहता है और उस खुशी को पाने के लिए वह हर कोशिश भी करता है, लेकिन इस शरीर से सिर्फ हमें दुख ही मिलता है। जैसे कोई बीमारी के रूप में या फिर किसी मानसिक कष्ट से। हमारे आसपास के लोग भी इसी में रहते हैं कि खुशी को कैसे पा लिया जाए, लेकिन खुशी आती भी है तो टेम्परेरी रहती है, परमानेंट नहीं। यहाँ खुशी वैसे मिलती है जैसे रेगिस्तान में पानी। हरे कृष्णा।
My dear Lord, I have complete experience concerning the worldly opulence, mystic power, longevity, and all other material pleasures enjoyed by all living entities, from the Lord Brahma down to the ant. as a powerful time, you will destroy them all. Therefore, because of my experience, I do not wish to possess them. My dear Lord, I request you to place me in touch with your pure devotee and let me serve him as a sincere servant.
By authorized Vedic knowledge, one can see that the form of cause and effect in the cosmic manifestation belong to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, for the cosmic manifestation is His energy. Both cause and effect are nothing but energies of the Lord. Therefore, O my Lord, just as a wise man, by considering cause and effect, can see how fire pervades wood, disengaged in devotional service, understand how you are both the cause and effect.
Oh, best of great personalities, I am not at all afraid of material existence. For whatever I stay, I am fully absorbed in the thoughts of your glories and activities. My concern is only for the fools and rascals who are making elaborate plans for material happiness and maintaining their societies, families, and countries. I am simply considered with love for them.
O Supreme Lord, you are actually the air, the earth, fire, sky, and water. You are the objects of sense perception, the life airs, the five senses, the mind, consciousness, and false ego. In needed, you are everything, subtle and gross, the material elements and nothing expressed, either by the words or by the mind, are nothing but you.
हे श्रेष्ठतम पूज्य भगवान, मैं आपको सादर नमस्कार करता हूँ, क्योंकि षडअंग भक्ति अर्थात प्रार्थना करना, समस्त कर्म फलों को आपको समर्पित करना, पूजा करना, आपके निमित्त कर्म करना, आपके चरण कमलों को सदा स्मरण करना तथा आपके यश का श्रवण करना, ऐसी भक्ति किए बिना परमहंस पद को प्राप्त होने वाला लाभ भला कौन प्राप्त कर सकता है।